Hello students, in this lesson we are going to discuss the answers for our mensuration lesson. If you have not done the problems yet, then please refer the previous video, complete the problems, and here you will find the answers for those. So let's start our challenge number 20. First problem, which is find the area of a triangle with sides 13, 14 and 15 centimeter. Since the sides are given, we have to use the semi-perimeter formula. So what is that? Area equals to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So substituting here, you get s is, first of all, you need to find s. So s equals to 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2. So which is nothing but s equals to 30, 35 and 42 by 2, which is 21. So your semi-perimeter is 21 centimeter. So substituting it, you get 21 times 21 minus 13 gives you 8 times 21 minus 14 gives you 7 times 21 minus 15 gives you 6. So instead of finding the square root of multiplying and then finding it, let's expand this. 21 can be written as 27 into 3. 8 is written as 4 times 2 and 7 as such. This can be again 6 can be written as 3 times 2. So let's pair up. So you get, we're taking out the square root, you get 7 times 3 times 2 times 2. So 1 7 will, and these two 3's can be replaced with 1 3. This 4 can be replaced with 2, and these 2 2's can be replaced with 2. So 21 times 4, which is nothing but 84 centimeters square, is the answer for your very first problem. Now let's go to the second problem. From a rectangular metal sheet of length 11 and breadth 8 centimeter, 3 circular plates of radii 3, 2 and 1 are taken out. Area of the remaining part after taking these 3 circles out is equal to the area of this circle. So they are asking you to find the area of the circle is in how much. So which means let's find the area of the 3 circular plates. That will give you area of the entire circle, like the entire rectangle, minus the area of the 3 circles gives you the remaining part in the rectangle. So area of the circle is equal to area of the remaining part, which is equal to area of the rectangle, remaining part, we'll write it as RP. Rectangle minus area of the 3 circles, right? Area of the entire rectangle minus area of the 3 circles. So which is again, substitute the values. Area of the rectangle is 11 times 8, row into column. So 11 times 8 is 88 minus area of the first circle is pi r square, right? So pi into pi, will take the pi out. So r square is 9 plus 4 plus 1, which will give you 14 pi. Okay, let's substitute the value of pi here. So this is equal into 22 by 7, so it gives you 2. So which is nothing but 88 minus 44, which is again nothing but 44 centimeters square. So this is the area of the circle now in centimeters square. Clear? Once you understand the logic behind it, the problem becomes very easy. Okay. Now coming to the third question, find the area of a sector of a circle of angle 60 degree and radius of the circle being 7 centimeter. So we have already discussed the area of the sector. Hope you remember it. If not, I'll quickly share it with you. Yes, here. Area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Suppose if they have given you the length, if they ask you the length, then it is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Length is related to the circumference and area is related to the area of the circle itself. Perimeter is nothing but the length plus 2r. I hope you are clear with this, right? So now coming back to the problem again. Area of the sector, they are asking, area of the sector is theta by 360 times pi r square. Substituting here, theta is 60 degrees. So 60 divided by 360 times, we'll take it as 22 by 7, pi is 22 by 7 times r into r. So cancel out 7 here. This is 1 time, this is 6 times, this is again 3 times, this is 11 times. So the area of the sector is 77 by 3 centimeters square. Once you are clear with the formula, the entire mensuration becomes very easy for you, right? So share it with a friend who really struggles in mensuration. So let's come to the final problem, which is if the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to the perimeter of the parallelogram, then the area of the rectangle is more than that of the parallelogram, true or false. If you note here, both perimeters are same. It doesn't mean that both the rectangle and the parallelogram will have the same area. Let's take an example. So say for example, the rectangle length is 6 and breadth is 4. So the parallelogram here should be having the same thing, right? So 6, 6. So slanting height is 4, right? So it will have a perimeter 20. Rectangle has a perimeter 20 now. 6 plus 4 is 10. Again, 2 times of 6 plus 4 is 20 centimeter. And the area for this is 24 centimeter square. 6 times 4 is 24 centimeter square. And now coming to the parallelogram. Suppose take this height as 5. Height of the parallelogram is 5. Then though the perimeter is 20 here also, the area of this parallelogram is 5 times 6, which means the area is 30 centimeter square, meaning that the area of the parallelogram is more than that of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is not always more than the area of the parallelogram. So this statement is false. So here there is no calculations involved, but still you have to think logically and do it, right? So I hope you found this lesson useful, and in order for you to practice more, I have attached a worksheet below in the description. Do check it out, practice it, and do share it with a friend who really struggles in mensuration. Okay, I'll see you again in the next lesson. Bye bye.